guys, it's Karima with an M. Today we're going to be cleaning out my car. It is a clean with me video, but you're going to be cleaning the car with me instead of the house with me. So I hope you all enjoy this video. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you're notified every single time. And right here, this is a clip of me washing my rugs in the washing machine in the house. And to be honest, this was a big no-no. I had lint and dirt and it ripped a little. I had to use scissors and tape to fix it. This car was so gross. It was crumbs everywhere. Crumbs, leftover food packages. It was just gross. It was really time to clean up. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joy. And just to mention, this was date night. We were dropping my daughter off, so we were cleaning the car out as well, and I don't think my fiance was too happy with the fact that we were cleaning the car out on date night, but it had to get done. Hi, you want a hug? Huh? No, you gotta stay on fat. Look at the flowers. She's trying to get in the car. Come on, let's go look at the flowers.
Yeah, let's go see the flowers. Let's go see the flowers.
I was trying to get some lighting, but the lighting sucks out here right now. There we go. The first thing we're gonna do is get all of the trash out of the car where we live at, and then go to the car wash to wash the car and vacuum it, because the vacuum that I own doesn't have enough succulation and it's not gonna get all this dirt up. The trash, the car is just filthy. It's nasty, it's dirty. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna get all the trash out the car and then we'll go to the car wash. She colored all over the trash. Any more socks? Why you took off your R&B coat, man?
Because this car is disgusting.
Let me get this book. I gotta get the book.
What book?
Oh, there go your. Well, what you was looking for a minute ago, baby?
What?
What were you looking for?
My chopstick?
Where's that? Huh?
That's why I couldn't find it in the car.
Oh. So you gonna blame the car?
I am, actually.
Okay.
There wasn't so much stuff down here. I could have reached down there and grabbed it with no problem.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Okay.
Am I right or wrong?
Okay.
This is what she wants to do on my one off day. This is what we do.
Stuff for your kids, and stickers get stuck in the window. That's my favorite part, actually. This is the stuff that I use for the car. Armor All, original protectant. After I'm done wiping it down, all the gunk off, I spray it and I re-wipe it with this. And then I also use the auto glass cleaner for the inside of the windows. And these products came from Dollar Tree, of course. got my little rag from Dollar Tree as well. And it doesn't fit my hand. If you see my knuckles, these are my knuckles. My fingertips up there, but it's, yeah. But it gets the job done for wash them in the laundry room, which I should never did, because the stuff, you could see, yeah, you could see it perfect. It started flaring out. I had to clip it some, and it was tearing up. I should never did that, but I washed them. They needed a wash. All right, guys, we just got done cleaning the car out, like getting all the trash and things that don't belong in the car, like socks that I've been looking for about 3 weeks now. But we just got done cleaning the car out, so we're gonna go get it vacuumed and then go get the wheels shined. We'll see you guys when we get there. So we arrived at the car wash. It's free vacuum. And over here, so it's a car wash, but arrived at the car wash, but someone dropped plastic in the conveyor belt, so we can't wash the car, but we can vacuum for free. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna vacuum and probably come back and get a car wash another time. This just happened. So the washer is in right there. And then on top of the washer, the soft hot sauce. Stop. No. No. We're on our way home, and we're probably gonna go home and chill out for a bit. I'll probably go work. I'm not sure how I feel right now, and then we'll go out later on tonight, probably like around what time we going out, since you're in control of it.
I still ain't get this memo yet.
You didn't get the memo.
Probably 6, 7.
We're gonna go on date night. This video was just a car wash video, so you won't be going with us on our date night. But I just want to let you know that that's what we're doing after we're done car washing. And if you're wondering where the kid was at and there was no crying and nothing going on, look at her seat. It's empty. I showed y'all. She's not back there. She's with her favorite aunt in the world. One of her favorite aunts in the world. So we're going on date night. You ready to go on date night?
Yeah!
You ready to go on date night?
Yeah! Woohoo!
Save yourself, ladies.
Let's go!
Stop. Now he want to be Mario.
It's me, the Rashad.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Okay, we're going on date night. I gotta go get dressed. I looked a hot mess. I got my polar bear sweater on from, was this last Christmas? Yeah, last Christmas I think, but it feels so soft and cozy. But it's hot today. It's 64 degrees in Georgia. But I got my sweater on and some gray pants and sneakers. I actually want to go get dressed, so that's what I'm gonna do a little later on. Get dolled up. Totally doll. But thank you all for watching the video. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!